Video is blowing up right now, especially online. But what do you do if you are not really sure how to create quality video yourself? Don't worry about that. I have a good news for you. There are lots of stock videos websites are out there where you can find quality footage. But the bad news is a lot of these sites are pretty expensive. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 7 free resources where you get unlimited royalty-free stock video footage. These sites offer footage under the Creative Commons Zero license, which is also known as public domain, that offers the same freedom. What this means is you can use this footage whatever you want in both personal and commercial projects. You don't have to pay any kind of registration fee or license fee. It is basically completely free. My list of first website is Pixels. Web URL is videos.pixels.com. Pixels is a video aggregator. That means they go for the other video sites, including some of that I am going to talk in this video. They pull videos and put them all in one space. So this is really handy option if you have short of time or if you just kind of want to get quickly at the land of without having to go to a bunch of different sites. By simply clicking on this popular videos tab, here you can see the popular videos of this Pixels website. Also you can search them by category, and here you see the popular searches: landscape, fire, fun, summer, etc. Also there is a big search box. You can also search videos by using keywords. If you want to submit videos in this site, then you can do this by simply go to the submit videos option. And my list of second website is Pixabay. Pixabay is a stock photo, illustration and video related site. There are lots of stuffs out there. It is really easy to use. There is a big search box. Also you can search them by category. In the search box, simply select videos and type your keyword and hit on search. You will get bunch of different royalty-free videos. And my list of third website is Wedstill, which web URL is www.wedstill.io. Wedstill adds 10 new videos every 10 days. Basically what that means is people are submitting video content and the team select the best 10 from that. So it is really unique and nice service. If you have a product that's pretty much demanding and you want to add unique videos, then hopefully this site will helpful for you. And the fourth one is Videvo. Web URL is www.videvo.net. This video has lots of royalty-free stock footage library. Not only video footage, they also provide motion graphics, or you may say animations, which are pretty handy. This website has around 4,000 videos, which is kind of crazy. You can search videos by using this big search box or using these categories. Simply select footage and type your preferred keywords and hit on search. Lots of cool footage and motion graphics are available in this website. This is one of my favorite go-to website for finding video footage. And my list of fifth website is Cover, which web URL is cover.co. Cover was originally created for web designers who wanted to use videos as their website background or header. So this means a lot of videos is blurred because text is a lot easier to read over a blurred background. But there is still a lot of great footage, and something unique about this cover is they create new or they share new 7 videos in every 7 days. Number 6 is lifeofbeats.com. There is a bunch of copyright-free videos are available in this website. New videos added in this website in weekly basis. But the main problem of this website is there is no search box or text or something like that. But they provide good quality full royalty-free videos. That's why I add this website in my list. And my list of last website is porn5.com. If you are familiar with stock websites, then you probably heard the website which is called Porn5 and you are probably thinking Porn5 is not free. And that's true for the most of the part, but they do have a public domain library. It's a public domain library that because it is so old and the license the copyright has literally expired. You may not find the exactly what you want, but if you are just looking for something a little bit strange, then it's a good resource to check out. These are my list of 7 websites to get unlimited royalty-free stock video footage. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.